Welcome to solverfy.
For this problem on the topic of oscillators, we have a meter stick which is hung at its center from a thin wire. The meter stick is twisted and begins to oscillate with a period of 5 seconds. It is then sawed off to a length of 70 centimeters, and the new piece is balanced at its center once again and set into oscillation again. We want to know the new period with which it oscillates. Now this is called a torsion pendulum, and the angular frequency for a torsion pendulum omega is equal to the square root of k over I, where k is the torsion constant, which is constant in this problem, and I is the moment of inertia. Now the moment of inertia of a rod about its center, I, is 1 over 12 times the mass of the rod m times the length of the rod squared. And so the angular frequency of oscillations omega is equal to the square root of k over I, but we know omega is equal to 2 pi over the period of oscillations t. And so from here we can see the period of oscillations t is 2 pi times the square root of I over k. So if we take the ratio of periods, the new period to the original period, t over t naught, this is equal to 2 pi times the square root of I over k over the original period, 2 pi times the square root of the original moment of inertia, I naught, over k, which is constant. And so this simply becomes the square root of I, the new moment of inertia, over the original moment of inertia, I naught. And so we can write this in terms of the rotational moment of inertia for a rod about its center is 1 over 12 m L squared divided by the original moment of inertia, 1 over 12 m naught L naught squared. And so if we put our values into this equation, this becomes the square root of 0.7 m naught times 0.7 L naught, since we saw the meter rule to 70 centimeters, and that's squared, all divided by m naught L naught squared. So this ratio of periods is 0.58566. And so the new period of oscillations is 0.58566 times the original period t naught, which is 0.58566 times the original period of 5 seconds. This gives us the new period to be 2.9 seconds.